I'm just background noise in my own life. Low volume days in a high speed mind. Everybody loud but it don't feel right. So I turn it down just to feel alive. I don't chase dreams, I outwalk time. Miss call stat but I don't decline. Sunset hits but it looks offline, like the sky forgot how to shine. I eat thoughts, I don't eat food. Feed my head, keep a calm mood. People talk like a déjà vu. Same words, different point of view. Wait, did I say that before? I'm just background noise in my own life. Low volume days in a high speed mind. Everybody loud but it don't feel right. So I turn it down just to feel alive. I don't feel lost, just misplaced. Wrong timeline, wrong headspace. If I smile, it's copy paste. Same emotion, different face. I don't hate, I just observe. See the fake in every word. Truth sounds weird when it's not rehearsed. Real life hit, but it don't feel worse. If nothing matters, why you feel heavy? If I'm okay, why you feel empty? If this is life, then who sent me? I'm just background noise in my own life. But I still move when the world goes quiet. If you hear this, you're my type. We don't fit, but we still survive.